VP Chiwenga's presidential ambitions, cut as Mashonaland East endorses Mnangagwa beyond 2028. The 2nd of September 2025, by a correspondent, MARONDERA. ZANU-PF leaders in Mashonaland East have unanimously endorsed President Emerson Mnangagwa to remain in power beyond 2028, effectively shutting the door on Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's anticipated succession bid. The resolution was made at a Provincial Coordinating Committee, PCC, meeting in Marandara, where all districts declared that Mnangagwa's leadership is indispensable for the achievement of Zimbabwe's Vision 2030 agenda. Despite constitutional term limits, delivering the resolution, Provincial Secretary for Legal Affairs, Pension Chiatsi, said the decision reflected the overwhelming will of party structures. All structures in the province were clear in their submissions. The first resolution for 2025 states, His Excellency, President and First Secretary of ZANU-PF, CDE Dr. Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, must continue leading both the party and government until Vision 2030 has been fully realized. Chiatsi declared to thunderous applause. Provincial Chairman Daniel Garwi praised Mnangagwa's resilience, pointing to his handling of crises such as Cyclone Idai, the COVID-19 pandemic, and ongoing droughts. Whether it was natural disasters or economic shocks, the president ensured people were not abandoned. He has shown resilience, foresight, and unity of purpose, Garwi said. He further stressed that Vision 2030 could not be achieved without Mnangagwa's continued leadership. This is why we insist that Vision 2030 cannot be derailed. The president must remain in office until this national goal is achieved, he added. Concluding his remarks, Garwi urged unity and loyalty within ZANU-PF ranks. Our duty is to stand firmly behind the president and the party. Loyalty is the foundation of our success, he said.